This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and the lock I have for you today is a Union 55mm steel padlock. We don't see that many of these in the United States, so I'm not sure of the exact model. I believe it's the SH50SO. It shares the exact same dimensions as that lock, but the style is just a little bit off. So maybe one of my viewers in the UK could take a look at this and let me know if I'm right. If it's helpful, this is the writing on the box. It doesn't say what the model number is, but maybe there's some information there that would be helpful. We're going to try to pick this guy open. It has a somewhat unusual core. If we look at this, you can see that it appears to be designed to accept a full-size key and knob cylinder, but we have what appears to be an adapter cylinder of some kind, where you take the full-size key and knob format, but we have a small padlock size plug. So we're going to try to pick this guy open, and then I'll take it apart and show you what's inside. Using bottom of the keyway tension with this Sparrow's narrow wiper insert and this Sparrow's short hook. Okay, 1's loose, 2's loose, 3's loose, 4's binding. Got a click out of him. 5. I think I might have gotten something out of him, I'm not sure. And might have gotten 6. Let's go back to the beginning. Click out of 1. Little something out of 2. 3 is definitely binding. Got to click there, and we opened up. Okay, I did not feel any security pins at all in this, but we're going to take it apart and see exactly what's inside. Okay, this is one of those locks that does not have the screw down the shackle hole that's exposed, but instead we actually have to take the shackle off. So I believe that's a 2mm hex wrench. Yep, that's what does the trick. Let's get that guy just far enough out to remove the shackle, and then a 4mm hex wrench should remove the retainer plate. Okay, let me get the tray over here so we don't lose parts. And okay, this is that unusual core I was talking about. You can see it's a full-size key and knob, maybe even a little bit larger than normal, but we have that small padlock-sized core in it. Not something I've seen before. One of these. To take it apart, I need to get a clip remover. I think I have one here. I guess I should have taken this apart before. Okay, there we go. Got that off. Now let's get a key and a follower. We should be able to take the core out. I should say as I'm doing this, I did not feel any security pins, so it's a little bit disappointing to have such a beefy, solid steel lock with absolutely no security pins. It might be that the only defense that this lock has is its very, very tiny paracentric keyway. Okay, 1 is standard. Same on 2, 3. These are different lengths, so I suppose we have some attempt at balanced pin stacks here. And yes, no security pins at all. That's a bit of a disappointment, but we can certainly fix that when we're putting this back together. I can throw some American Lock serrated pins in here, and that should make this considerably more difficult, especially since we do have some pretty good bitting on the key, which you can take a look at. Let's see. I guess that's the best way to view it. Okay, let me give you a close-up of this. Okay, as you can see, all standard pins, really not a whole lot to see. We do have some pretty good bitting on that key, lots of high lows in there, and nothing particularly unusual about that core, though it does contain the main defense of this lock, and that is just a tiny little paracentric keyway. In any case, this has been our Union, I believe, model, what was that, SH50. If you have any questions or comments or can shed more light about the origin of this lock or the model number, please comment below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.